Here's current progress on the DonkeyLevels app. On DonkeyLevels, it says the username is Howie. Howie, welcome to DonkeyLevels Howie. I want to delete that. Confirm new username. Okay, so now there shouldn't be any username data. Go back, close it, hit DonkeyLevels again, shows the splash screen of the donkey. No user data is on the device. Why? Because I just deleted it. Okay, I'm going to create a new user. Create the new user, Tyler, Tyler. Confirm user. Now it says welcome to DonkeyLevels Tyler. I go out, on destroy the app, that's what that means, you're destroying it, and then click on DonkeyLevels. Automatically says welcome to DonkeyLevels Tyler. Why? Because we're saving data. So saving data, there's a lot of different ways of doing it. There's you can use JSON, you can use SQL in order to save data. This is a quick and very easy technique that I learned from going to Stackoverflow. I've been spending the last few weeks on ways to quickly save data without having to reinvent the wheel here. The Stackoverflow is Android FileInputStream read, file to string. It's not the optimal way to save lots of data. If you're saving tons of data, you should use SQL, but this is a way to quickly do it, and that's kind of where I'm at right now, is we just want to get this data saved. So I'm going to be sharing a link to the code, this code that I found on here. Yeah, you can see this guy's got some really good stuff here. Scrolling down, returning this to a string, and what happens is that when you're doing things, it's always good to kind of apply things to your own needs. So for example, some of these I kind of tweaked it in order to make it work for what I want to work on. And then so the trick is with working with this things is breaking things down into simpler parts. So in order to get the data to work properly, I made a smaller app just for saving data that didn't have links to all the other DonkeyLevel stuff that you saw. So I just made a file called SavingFilesPro. Now here, I kind of broke it down, and I was like, okay, I'm going to just call data 1, and I'm going to send this data. And now data 1 is in there. Okay. Why is it important to break things down into similar parts? Is because if you do that, you can kind of see what's going on without having to make an entire huge application. So all this application does was testing, saving data. Refresh. There it is, data 1. Okay. So my recommendation is let's see. So let's look at SavingFilesPro. Okay, so here's my code for SavingFilesPro. See how I only got a couple edit views, a couple text views, and some project here. And then by making a small project just in order to test something, what I was able to do was learn more about the saving data system, and then I was able to do it without fear of crashing my larger program, because I didn't want to risk causing problems to this part. I just wanted to isolate a different app just to deal with one problem. So I hope this was useful and kind of a troubleshooting method, and hopefully you guys don't have to spend as much time as I did on researching how to solve this problem.